Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make a wind spinner in this video. This project is really very easy to make and you just have to make 4 rows for this project. The technique that I am going to apply for this pattern are chains, single crochet and double crochet. So even a beginner can try to make this. So let's get started. Things that we require for this project are leftover yarn, a pair of scissors, a hook. According to the thickness of the yarn, I am going to use a hook of 2.5 mm and we need few beads to tie to the end of the wind spinner. So we are going to begin now. At first we have to make a slip knot and I am not going to count these chains. You can make 50, 100, 200, 220, as many chains as you require for the project. You can make as big the spinner as you wish to make. So these are the chains that we are making for our project. So this is the length that I require for my wind spinner. Now I am going to cut the yarn from here because we have to begin from the beginning in this project. For every row we have to begin from the 4th stitch. So make a slip knot again and into the 4th stitch, 4th chain, insert the hook and pull through 2. Now we have to make chain 1, which counts as a single crochet. Into the next stitch, insert the hook and pull through 2. So we have to make single crochet into all the stitches of the row. So complete the row by making single crochet into all the stitches across the row, and we'll meet again when this row would be completed. When this row of single crochet is complete, we have to cut the yarn because we are going to add color bead to the pattern from the next row. So we have to make a slip knot, and now we have to join the stitches on the top of the 1st stitch. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, into the same stitch, double crochet 2, and into the same stitch, double crochet 2. On the top of the next stitch, double crochet 1, into the same stitch, double crochet 2. On the top of the next stitch, double crochet 1, into the same stitch, double crochet 2. So complete the row by making 2 double crochet on the top of each stitch, and we will meet again when this row would be completed. When this row is complete, we have to cut the yarn, and now we are going to move forward for the 4th row. So make a slip knot, and now we have to begin from the 4th stitch. On the top of the 4th stitch, we have to make a slip stitch, chain 3, which counts as a double crochet. On the top of the same stitch, double crochet 1, 2, and 3. So on the top of the fourth stitch we have made 4 double crochet. On the top of the next stitch, 1, 2, 3 and 4 double crochet. On the top of the next stitch, double crochet 1, 2, 3 and 4 double crochet on the top of the next stitch. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So complete the row by making 4 double crochet on the top of each stitch across the row, and we will meet again when this row would be completed. When this row is complete, we have to switch to color A. So we have to make a slip knot. Now on the top of 4th stitch we have to join the yarn with slip stitch. Now we have to make chains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49 and 50. Now we have to join these stitches on the top of the same stitch with slip stitch. This is going to be the string for hanging. Now on the top of next stitch, insert the hook and pull through 2, a single crochet. On the top of the next stitch, single crochet. So we have to complete the row by making single crochet on the top of each stitch across the row. So complete the row by making single crochet on the top of each stitch, and we will meet again when this row would be completed. When this row is complete, we have to cut the yarn of color A. Now we are going to put all these circles together . Now we are going to add beads to the end of this wind spinner with the help of needle and thread. So stitch it to the end of the wind spinner . Now we have to cut the thread, and this wind spinner is now complete. This wind spinner is going to appear like this when it will be completed. This can be made in half an hour, and this can be a very good gifting option too. Thank you so much.